Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 Insider video. My name's Ed, and in this video we're going to be looking at enabling the Windows feature called Telnet. Now, in one of my previous Windows Insider videos, I think it was 21332, we did some advanced troubleshooting with Telnet, but I just want to take a step back. And for those that are new to Windows 10 or new to the Insider program, this is how you would enable Telnet on a Windows 10 machine. So the first thing we need to do is go to Control Panel. So you can click on Start, you can type in Control, which will open the Control Panel, and then you can go to Programs and Features, and on the left here you click on Turn on Windows Features on or off, and you just got to wait for it to calculate and do its thing. Just make this bigger. And now you can see obviously all the features that you can install or uninstall if you wanted to. And what we're looking for is the Telnet client. So you can see it's not selected. So I'm going to select it, click OK. And it's now going to go and search for the required files to install. And it's done. If we want to double check that it's installed, we go back here. And if we scroll down, you'll see that Telnet client is now enabled. Now, if you wanted to go test that Telnet's working, you can launch an elevated command prompt, and you can type in here Telnet, and you can see that now Telnet is now working, and you can run your advanced commands. So that's just pretty much a quick tip on how to enable Telnet in Windows 10. The same rule applies to if it was a Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows Server. You can enable Telnet if you're doing troubleshooting or testing, and that's pretty much standard across the board. So there you have it, easy to do. Thank you very much for watching.